Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. Now, if you haven't subscribed already, just do so. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when we post another video.
And give us a thumbs up because I hope you like it.
All right, so we're going to be making a dip.
Warm cheesy bean dip, which is really fast and really good.
So we're going to be using our refried beans, Thrive refried beans. A little bit, yeah, that's good. And we're going to be putting some cheese.
Cheddar. And we're adding it all in dry because we're going to be that's awesome.
And then I'll be adding some water to that.
And I'm going to add a little bit of taco seasoning. Maybe a little bit more. To that, to just give a bit of flavor. So we're going to add this to the stove and just refresh everything over the stove.
Okay, so the beans have been simmered and we're letting them sit for about 5 minutes.
And as that's just refreshing the rest of the way, I just am taking some cream cheese and I will get this cubed up. Whoop. And I'll just have a couple pieces of cream cheese. You can add as much as you want, but we're just gonna have that so we can blob that in.
So we can place it in and cream it up.
And cream it up.
That's right.
And we'll add it, well, while it's still warm so that it melts and gets all happy. Okay, now we're just going to add the blocks, little cubes of cream cheese in that.
That looks yummy.
And once that's melted, then we will add a little bit of salsa. Okay, we're just going to plate this and add some taco chips. And a little bit of our refreshed cheddar cheese and some green onions. And now we're gonna have to taste it. But remember to give us a thumbs up if you like this video. And notification, you do that part.
And subscribe. We already did. We told them at the beginning.
We did?
I think so.
Did we tell
If
you?
you haven't subscribed, would you please subscribe? Because we really want you to be able to enjoy what we're having, and the recipe will be down below.
And let's try this. This is awesome. That's so good. Cheesy warm bean dip.
And remember, you can do this too.